In this video, we're going to talk about what a workspace is and how you can create one. A workspace represents a virtual office space, basically, where you can get access to all the tools for this specific business. You can think of all the chatbot channels, the e-commerce settings, the Stripe account access, and the creation of mini apps. This virtual office, aka workspace, allows team members to collaborate with each other on all the different chatbot channels. To create a workspace, it's really easy to do. The only thing you need to do is go to the top left corner and press the drop down. And from here, you will be able to create a new workspace as the last given option. Once pressed, you will come to your workspace overview, where at the bottom you will see all your current workspaces. And on top, you will be able to create a new workspace by giving it a name. Once your name is inserted, just press the button Create. And from here, your workspace will end up in the current workspaces overview. In the next video, we're going to show you how you can manage your workspace settings.